I don't know if I'll do the whole thing.
Does it hurt?
It's not sharp yet.
No, the sparks on your body.
Oh no, I didn't even notice.
Oh. When Adam did
Oh,
it,
but something's frying right here.
when Adam did it, the shirt was burning actually.